Welcome to chapter 6, and in this video I will continue working on the manifold. And I said in my last video that I didn't have anything done that was enough to show you, but I did something, but I didn't film it, so you have to find out now. And one thing I did was mucking up the downpipe. I put on the intercooler just to see if it still fit. On the other side I have the steering power pump, and it will be hitting that, so I need to move it like 1 inch or 2 inch to the right, so I can fit silicone hose on the other side for the intercooler pipes. Let's go. So we're back from getting ourselves a little bit warmer, since I was inside because it's really cold here. So I just took a little break, and I've done a few things since the break, like this long of a pipe, but I got the location for the wastegate done, and I need to take the downpipe away just to stitch weld some more, so it doesn't just break down or anything. I need to make some more welds, and I need to make a reinforcement from the wastegate pipe to cylinder 6 pipe. Yeah, let's continue. Before, I need to go out with some friends, and yeah. I already made a cut in the hood from the old engine, so I will just make the new screen pipe go the same way and up and out. Great! So with the wastegate on place, I will end this video for today, and I will continue tomorrow, and I hopefully will get some more work done. I really have to go now because I need a shower, and I'm going out with some friends, have some fun. See you tomorrow in like 1 second. So we're back, it's Sunday. And I did go here yesterday after I was going out with friends, and I welded these This is for the wastegate, as you know. So it's done. I need to order a V-band clamp here. And I don't think I will get it till next weekend, but so today I'm gonna weld the manifold or some parts of it. And yeah, really tired after this weekend, and it's really cold, so yeah, let's do some work. Yeah, so before I can start welding it, I need to fix a few things, and one thing is I need to clean this up, so let's do it. And yeah, I said a few things I need to fix. Since I don't want these to bend, I'm gonna visit a friend. He had some thick steel for me, like almost like this, but a better piece, which I can drill out and bolt this onto. So when I weld everything, it will still be straight. So I'll be back. So we're back at the garage again, and here's what I got. And it will be used. I will drill holes in this and bolt this on here. So I can weld it without getting it to bend. But everything took so long time today, so this will be the end of this video. And you maybe wonder, why did it take so long time? So I'm gonna show you. You will find out here. So not much have been done this weekend, but if you want to see more of it, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. And if you like what you've been seeing, give it a like. And if you wonder about anything, just comment and I will try to answer as good as I can. Have a great week. I hope your Monday didn't suck so much. We'll see you later.